Can this one magic lid fit all the cups and bottles you own, make juice, make tea, and chill your beverages? It sure can. It's called the SKUZEE, and it's the most convenient lid ever made. Literally. Because regular lids only fit one bottle, and even though you have 50 of them, you can never find the one that fits. But with SKUZEE, you only need one lid for all of your bottles. Small ones, big ones, it even fits things that aren't supposed to have lids, like Das Boot. Whatever the shape, SKUZEE fits on airtight. And when it's time to drink, its 360-degree stop valve lets you pour liquid from any angle. But wait, there's more.
SKUZEE isn't just a lid. It comes with 3 attachable modules that can make the perfect drink for any time of the day. And with its portable design, you can take it with you anywhere. Need a breakfast mimosa? The SKUZEE juice head has a flower design that filters out seeds and gets the most out of each squeeze. Now that's juicy. Want to enjoy some afternoon tea? Just add your tea leaves, attach the SKUZEE infuser, and steep away.
Drinking delicious homebrewed iced tea has never been easier.
Or how about some cold sangria for those hot summer nights? The SKUZEE chilling wand keeps your drinks cool. And unlike ice, it does it without diluting the taste.
Plus, these 3 modules are just the beginning. Our team is working on even more ideas to make sure your SKUZEE is the last lid you'll ever need.
Seriously, how could this lid be any more perfect? Flip it upside down and SKUZEE turns into a cup. Genius. SKUZEE is good for your kitchen, your taste buds, and guess what? It's also good for the environment because SKUZEE is made out of 100% sustainable silicone and is dishwasher safe, so you can use it again and again. And you should. Because every year we throw away enough plastic to cover the earth 4 times over. And half that plastic we use just one time before throwing away. SKUZEE lets you get more out of the things that you already own, so you can reuse more and waste less.
Pre-order SKUZEE today, and you'll be one of the first to get yours at an exclusive discount.
SKUZEE, the most convenient lid ever made. Literally.